I'm Ray Lampe, Dr. Barbecue. Boneless, skinless turkey thighs. It's a great thing. You can do so many different things with them. Hard to find them at the store, but real easy to make your own. Let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do is remove the skin. Well, don't even pick up your knife for this one, because all you got to do is yank it off. It's really simple. There's really not much you can do with that. If you see a piece like a fat like that, look around for anything that's not going to cook, but I'm not going to worry about all the fat, every little piece of fat on it. And now the bone. There's one bone in there. It's just a shank bone. It's real simple. So take your knife and just cut right along it. Right along both sides of it to get started. Now you don't want to try to not cut all the way through and make a hole, because I want to have a nice big flat piece of boneless, skinless thigh. So now I've got it loosened up, and just keep moving around, just little spots all the way down. Take your time with it. And that's it. I got most of the meat off of that bone. A little bit of practice, you get pretty good at it. So you see that it gets kind of skinny here in the middle, a little bit thicker here and there. Anytime we're cooking things, we want to have them as even as possible, but it's a real simple solution. You just kind of cut a gash in this thick part. Smash it down a little bit. And over here, I think this is fine. Now, I just felt a little piece of cartilage that I left on from the bone. Feel around. And that's it. That's a boneless, skinless turkey thigh. So many things you can do with this. It's a beautiful cut. So you see, this is a simple process. I've got these 3 beautiful boneless, skinless turkey thighs ready for any recipe I choose.